How to manage trades in the Nadex platform. When you place an order, it goes to the Working Orders window. You can see time left, order size, order price, current price, and the price of the underlying market. Plus means it's a buy order, minus means sell. To cancel a working order, click to open the ticket and click Delete Remainder. To change it, adjust the size and price and click Amend Order. When filled, it moves to Open Positions. You can see the time left until expiration, the time your order was filled, the price or average price if you traded multiple contracts, position size plus for buy minus for sell, current market price, profit or loss, the total value of your position, number of contracts times current market price, and the underlying market price again. So why do you start with a loss when the market hasn't moved yet? If you place a buy order, you pay the offer price, the price the seller is offering to sell at. To exit, you'll need to sell at the bid price, which is lower. In the same way, if you sell a contract, then to exit, you would need to buy it back at the offer price, which is higher. The red loss number reflects the difference between the bid and offer prices. It's the edge you give up to enter the trade. To exit an open position early, you can set a limit order at a specific profit or loss target. Click on the open position and adjust the price to your target. If and when the market hits your target price, the order will execute. Remember, you'll only get filled if and when another trader or market maker takes the other side of your trade, buy or sell. As an exchange, Nadex never takes the other side of a trade. Our role is strictly to match buyers to sellers.